2, 3, 4, 5. All right. I'm going to pull up the dark green here. And it's going here. Or the light green. The light green. And now we need 6 dark green in the middle. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this light green right here will be a dark. Pull that up. Come on. There's 6. Alright, and then we're going to drop that and pull up a light green, and we're going to put it here. And drop that. Now we need 5 dark greens here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pull up this one, and we need 1 light green and that last loop at the end. Come on. And we should have 22. All right, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22. Let's work these off. Work that one off. Alright, pull these. There we go. Pull them up. And there's that row. Alright, so this row is next, and we need 2 light green, 3 dark green, 1 light green, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dark green in the middle, and then 1 light green, 3, and then 3 dark green and 2 light green. So it's 2, 3, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 2. Okay. All right. So now we need 2 of these light greens on this end. All right. And 3 dark greens. And now we need this light green, which is in this one. Okay. And we need 8 dark greens in the middle. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 'Come on, get in there. 8. All right, and we need a light green in there. So here's the light green I need. And now I need 3 dark green. 1, 2, 3, 2 light green in the end. 1, 2, and then we need to pick up that last loop at the end. There we go. And we should have 22. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22. Yes, we have 22. All right, let's work these off. Come on. I want both of them. And work this one off. Take that one off. There we go. And there we go. Man, we are almost done. All right. So now we're on this one here, and we need, let's see if you can see this. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 5 light green. And in the middle, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dark greens. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 light greens on each side. So I need 5 and 10. Okay. So it looks like I'm going to be done. Let's see. I'm going to be done with this dark green. I'm not going to need this one. So I'm going to cut it off. I'm going to cut it off long. So I don't need that one. And I'm not going to need this light green in here any longer. Or this other light green. And this dark green down here I'm not going to need. So I'm cutting those loose. All right. So I am going to need this one. Oh, wait a minute. First of all, I need 5. I need 5 light green first. All right, so there's 3, 4, 5. All right, now going to the dark green. We need 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 'Sometimes it helps to bring, I need to get that loop out of there. Come on. There we go. This will be 10. All right, so now we're going to the light green, and we should have 5 light green. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we need this final loop at the end. So we don't want to forget that last loop. There. All right, so we should still have 22, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 16, 18, 22. Okay, we have 22. All right, so now we're going to work these off. And come on. There we go. All right. So, again, we are going to do 5, 10, and 5 for the next 2 rows. So we're just going to repeat this. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, and then go to the dark green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now back to the light green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then pick up that last loop in the end here, and there we go. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 20, 22. We've got 22. All right, now let's work these off. And there we go. All right, one more row of this. Yes, right. 3 rows of that. So I need one more row of this. So it's 5, 10, 5. I wanted to let you know also that I am working with a 3 yarn. Lightweight yarn, a number 3. And I don't think I told you that. All right. And I need that last loop. All right. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. I don't think I got 22 there. 2, 4, 6. Did I miss one? 2, 4, 6, 8. And I did. And see, this is the reason why we count. I missed a stitch over here somewhere. I did. Hang on. I missed it right here. This is the reason why we count, to make sure there's a stitch right there hiding. Because I should have had 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, that's the reason why we count after every row, because you never know when you may have missed a stitch. And that was a good one there to show you what could happen. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22. We do have 22 that time. All right, so let's work these off. All right. All right. All right, so there's those 3 rows. Okay, so our next row is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to do 3 dark and 2 light, 3 dark, and then 5 light at the end. That's all right. I'll just bring that in. I forgot about that. All right. I cut off that light, but that's all right. So we need 5 light, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now I need 3 dark. Let's put this to the side and do 3 dark. 1, 2, 3. It's not 3, it's 4. Sorry about that. It's 4. There we go. 4 dark. And now I need 2 light ones right here in the middle. So I'm going to pull a light one through here. That's why we work with these different spools. It's a lot easier. All right. And I'm going to need another dark one. And because I'm going to need 4 darks to pull through the next. So I'm going to need 4 darks. So there's 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do the 5 light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to pull up this last stitch at the end. And again, we should have 22. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22. And let's work these off. All right. All right, so we've got that done. Now our next one is we are going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 light, 2 dark, 4 light, 2 dark, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 light. So 6, 2, 4, 2, 6. So more light than dark now. We're just about, this is the last row for our dark yarn. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got, there's the 6. Now we need 2. 1, 2, and now I need light. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we need the dark because we only need 2. 1, 2, and now we need 6 light. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we need that last loop. All right. So now we're going to work these off. All right, and our 4-leaf clover is done, and now all we need to do, we only need the one because I'm going to do 2 rows of this light, so I am going to cut these off, and we need 2 rows of just plain light all the way across. And I know, as I said, 20 by 20, but it's actually 21 by 20 because I have 2 rows down here at the bottom. I want 2 rows at the top to make it uniform. I think it makes it look better. So we're going to pick up all of our stitches just in the light green. last loop, and we're going to work them off. All right, one more row. All right, let's work this off.